The Nigerian Air Force is built to unveil a new fighter aircraft as part of activities marking its 57th anniversary. The JF-17 Tھنڈر multi-role fighter jet is part of an ongoing fleet modernization program that includes the procurement of 8 Russian-made Mi-35M attack helicopters and 12 A-29 Super Tucano close air support aircraft from the United States. Defense correspondent Kھیں reports.
The Nigerian Air Force is rolling out the drums to mark its 57th anniversary. The youngest of the Nigerian Armed Forces, the Air Force is looking at enhancing its air power for effective joint operations in the wake of the growing security challenges the country is faced with. As part of an ongoing fleet modernization program, the Air Force will induct newly acquired JF-17 Tھنڈر multi-role fighter jet at its base in the Benue State capital, Makurdi.
Enhancing Nigerian Air Force air power capabilities for effective joint operations in response to contemporary national security challenges.
The aircraft is a lightweight, single-engine, fourth-generation combat aircraft developed jointly by Pakistan and China. It can be used for multiple roles, including interception, ground attack, anti-ship, and aerial reconnaissance.
The induction of the JF-17 Tھنڈر aircraft and aerial display will be conducted simultaneously.
The service is optimistic that with its ongoing fleet modernization program, it will get better results across the theaters of operations. The Nigerian Air Force authorities believe that the event will reposition the service to better tackle the security challenges confronting the country. Kھیں, TVC News, Abuja.